Hello traders, I just want to show you what I'm seeing in these charts today and how I'm trading and trading in the room. This is the pound on the 60-minute chart. The fibs should be touching that 159. For some reason I've dipped it, but it is correctly positioned up here at the highs, just under 162.50. So 60-minute chart pound. Here is the where the US gets back to work. The debt ceiling has been extended. It's a massive move up here. Then we pull back to this fib level on US jobs. On US jobs, we break out. In the Asian session, they pull it right back, and in the US session, they wind it back up again. I'm buying these lows. This is a nice wave up here. We broke this trend line in the Asian session after the US session got bought down here. I'm looking to see if this can hold and then break up to come back to retest these highs and break it. We might just wave up here, but I'm looking for this to go to 2013 highs, which is just under 164. So I'm continuing to buy the dips to see if that can move to the upside. Now if we look at the daily and the 60-minute chart here, rearrange my charts properly. If we look at this 60-minute on the left, sorry, that's the euro. This is the pound, and here's the waves. So 1, 2, 3, A, B, wave. So I'm looking for this to be the end of the B of A. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. I'm looking for this to be the end of the C wave and looking for the D wave to come and go and attack 164. Okay, the case for the bears, if we close below this 124 area, then we could break down and then start to retest all these levels down here. But I think this chart is so strong. On the daily chart, we couldn't even properly test the 50 EMA. We got close down at these lows, but and then they pulled it right back. We have got a reversal bar up here, but we've not got extreme RSI. I'm treating this as a pullback. I do admit, the highs are getting sold, but we've got higher lows, higher highs up here, higher low here. I'm just waiting for this to hold this, see if we can hold this trend line and then push back up. But I will change my views if we start to break these, start to close down here. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. I'm looking for this to hold and for this to move up, and so I'm just buying the lows. A couple of ways you can trade it. If you're a swing trader, then you need to look out for these pivot levels and buy these pivot levels and hold them. If you're a day trader, you could do this on a small size and then go bigger size on your intraday account as you get into these intraday resistance areas. Okay, but as long as don't exceed 3% of your account, otherwise don't get overloaded in any one instrument. All right, so it could well come right down to 160 here. I would still be interested in buying here and looking to see if that can hold. Alright, well, that's what I'm doing today. Seeing as I did show you a glance of the euro, let's have a look. I've got a reversal bar up here, and we are showing a lot of weakness up here at the moment. So, but if we come down here and hold the 50 EMA, I would suggest you might want to take a position there to see if that can hold. We may come all the way down to 750 again, and look to see if that can hold. But we are extended, we've got high RSI, but this is a very bullish chart. At the moment, all pullbacks are bought, and consolidations like this, where we could see a retest of monthly R1 at 690, consolidations like that are to be bought until they start failing. Alright, a quick look at the Dow. This area in the Dow is very, very interesting. We slammed into it on non-farm payroll. It came right back. I suggested in my weekend video on a Monday's video that we're going to wait till the ATMA is coming in. And that's exactly what's happening. The ATMA is creeping up. We tested it yesterday, got bought, and it's just a question of whether these lower levels here on the Dow can get bought to retest monthly R1 up here. Okay, of course I would change that view on the Dow as I would change my view on the pound if we started to close under this fib level. Close under the daily 8 and I would start to get concerned. Well, I wouldn't get concerned, I would start to short the market to see if we can come back and retest the monthly pivot down here. Alright, so that's my plan. I'm buying pullbacks. I'm buying longs on pullbacks at the moment in pound, euro and Dow, and holding on and looking to see if we can start to penetrate these resistance areas here. Might just get another touch of the ATMA and another test, another 1 or 2 more tests of this if we are going to punch up here. Might knock on that door another 1 or 2 times before that's ready, but on the face of it, yeah, I would just keep buying dips. Alright, I do hope that helps, and take care of your account and take care of yourself, and see you soon.